Hey there, fellow traders and investors. Today, we're diving into the world of financial markets and exploring the recent developments in the S&P 500 futures and global oil prices. Now, I know what you're thinking, another market update? But trust me, there's more to this story than meets the eye. So, let's get started and uncover the hidden gems and insights that will make you see the markets in a whole new light. First things first, the S&P 500 futures took a slight dip over the weekend, with traders keeping a close eye on the Strait of Hormuz deal. Personally, I think this is a fascinating development because it highlights the delicate balance between geopolitical tensions and market sentiment. You see, the Strait of Hormuz is a critical waterway for global oil trade, and any disruption could have significant implications for the global economy. Now, some might argue that the S&P 500 futures are just a reflection of market sentiment, but I believe there's more to it. In my opinion, the futures market is a microcosm of the broader economic landscape, and its movements can provide valuable insights into the underlying trends and forces at play. Now, let's talk about the oil prices. WTI crude oil rose 1% to just above $79 a barrel, which is a significant development given the ongoing tensions between the US and Iran. What makes this really interesting is that it raises a deeper question about the role of oil in the global economy. If you take a step back and think about it, oil is a finite resource, and its price fluctuations can have far-reaching consequences for businesses and consumers alike. Now, some might argue that oil prices are just a reflection of supply and demand dynamics, but I believe there's more to it. From my perspective, the oil market is a complex interplay of geopolitical, economic, and environmental factors, and its movements can provide valuable insights into the broader trends and forces at play. So, what does all this mean for investors? Well, in my opinion, it's a reminder that the financial markets are not just a reflection of economic fundamentals, but also a complex interplay of geopolitical, environmental, and social factors. As investors, we need to be mindful of these broader trends and forces, and adjust our strategies accordingly. Now, some might argue that the markets are just a reflection of the underlying economic data, but I believe there's more to it. Personally, I think the markets are a fascinating and dynamic ecosystem, and their movements can provide valuable insights into the broader trends and forces at play. So, the next time you're looking at the S&P 500 futures or oil prices, remember that there's more to the story than meets the eye. The markets are not just a reflection of economic fundamentals, but also a complex interplay of geopolitical, environmental, and social factors. And that, my friends, is what makes investing so fascinating and challenging. So, what do you think? What are your thoughts on the S&P 500 futures and oil prices? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful commentary on the world of finance and investing. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.